Hi, my name is Dr. Blake Butler. I'm a functional medicine provider with Align Modern Health, and I practice via telemedicine. Telemedicine has many benefits. It essentially allows us to provide care across many states, and it reduces the need to travel for an appointment. I know for many it's very inconvenient to travel to the office, and it becomes very difficult to sustain care, so telemedicine allows us to provide continued care from the comfort of one's home. So with functional medicine, we often work with individuals who have sought care via multiple providers, and it's not that they've sought inappropriate care. In fact, the care has been excellent. However, they still find that they're not getting well. That's typically where we come in. We have the opportunity to look at things differently, and with that, we then are able to build on their recommendations and provide very detailed, personalized care that addresses, once again, the root issue. With functional medicine, we use a multitude of diagnostic testing and advanced testing. We actually have the capacity to drop ship tests directly to patients' homes or workplaces. That allows us to collect a lot of data from anywhere. In addition, we partner with local labs in multiple different cities to then collect blood chemistry that then helps shape the patient's care. As it relates to functional medicine, I truly believe that our health is our greatest wealth. And I think that's a really common phrase, but that means a lot to me. And if there's one reason to essentially become a functional medicine patient, it's to establish health, because ultimately when it comes down to it, we could have all the things in the world, but if we didn't have our health, it wouldn't really matter. If you'd like to learn more about functional medicine via telemedicine, please feel free to contact us at alignmodernhealth.com. We offer complimentary consultations via telemedicine, and we also have the opportunity to verify insurance coverage. At this time, we're offering care in Illinois, Colorado, and Florida. However, we're working towards introducing telemedicine to many more states.